as which are the LD monitors we are using. This is the LD15A we are using. And this is stage rack. So we're checking the stage rack. And these are the relay boxes on the stage rack and with the mic, shoe mic.
That is only 22 people.
And we are using the LDs over here. LD and this QS is still in setup, and we have a stage rack over there. And QS is still somewhere, and the LD, so Sadhguru will be sitting over there. So on that side, the same setup. Yeah, the setup I was not there as I said, so everything not at tops. Power distributor. And soon as which are the LD monitors we are using. This is the LD15A we are using. And this is stage rack. So we're checking the stage rack. And these are the relay boxes on the stage rack and with the mic, shoe mic. On the other side, two subs and four tops, LDs, everything is connected. Everything is parallelly looped. Sorry, serially looped. Looks like this, and my brother is over there in the console, and Isha sound engineer is over there. He's mixing because Sadhguru is coming, so he said he wants to mix, so he's mixing over there. And we have a active thing over here. Sorry, passive speakers, the Pope one. There's a passive, and we are using the crossover. There's a crossover you've seen in my old vlogs, so we are using again the passive one. Got a one setup over one stack over here and one stack over there. Entire thing is like this. One left and the right, and the left delay, the right. Yeah, made over here. We'll take the connection from and we'll loop to this. So the crossover thing will be coming from here. The crossover will be going from to the one amp, and from this amp we will take the pre out to this.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ, ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಸಬ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾ? Check. Check. Check one. Hello. Hello. Check. Check one, two. One. Check. Check. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Kara. One. Check one. Okay, no. Okay. The sound service setup on band setup. Check one. Check. Hello. Check.
And all set, guys. And again back to the mix. They're setting up all the things for the band because that engineer will be coming, so I will not be operating. So just I'm checking the sound. There's sound, and this is the DSP we're using. This is the tuning. Most people ask what's the tuning for the liner range. This is the tuning we're using for a 210 series, and we're gonna delay CQs everything over here. All the mics, all the engineers are setting over there, and sounds of each of these many stands, and the 4 monitors over here, and 2 for the Sadhguru over there. Yeah, once everything is set up, we'll just go for the sound check and I'll just show you what all happening. Due to a busy schedule, we didn't take the stage one, so only the stage thing each of people are doing. A bit relaxed because I was stressed. I came morning like a 4 o'clock to home, and again I just woke up and I came back here. And one more event is running up over in Dodbadapur. The one vehicle is going over there. So after this show, I had to just wind up the editor and just cover up the speakers. And again, I had to go for the one more event in Dodbadapur for the school day. So busy schedule, and it's gonna be a Christmas on 25th. So I'm just thinking, does a Christmas happen this year to me or not? Work is like a Christmas for us. And all the mix and everything is set up. Just now I was busy and my guy was not over here. And these many mics, everything is sure. Everything is main distributor over here for the power supply, the sound, and these sounds of each of people came over here. So all the mics are set. So they're now just setting up what all they required for the sound of the show. And still a lot of inputs running up and a lot of in-ear monitors running up. You can see the in-ear monitors.
ವೈಭವಯುತ ಮಹಾಶೂಲ ಮಂಟಪದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಉತ್ಸಾಹಭರಿತ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹಭರಿತ ಜಾತ್ರೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾಚರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Adiyogi Divya Darshana is a 14-minute light imaging show projected onto the 112-foot Adiyogi statue at Sadguru Sannidhi. It depicts the life of Adiyogi, the first yogi and the origin of yoga. Adiyogi Divya Darshana will happen at 7:20.
Number two, give me someone else now. Number three, use an instrument now. I'm coming to number two.
Shiva, 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 Endomme, Shiva, 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 Endomme, Shivanagi, Shivana Pujisu, Manave, Shivanagi, Shivana Pujisu, Manave, Shivanagi, Shivana Pujisu. ಶಿವನಾಗಿ ಶಿವನ ಪೂಜಿಸೋ ಮನವೇ ಶಿವನಾಗಿ ಶಿವನ
That is, we will be opening up or installing what is called as Mahashula. Probably only one like that in this region right now. So Mahashula, which has been powerfully consecrated, is the temple is coming. It's a chariot with 4 wheels, stone wheels which weigh about a ton. But